everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie. If you're new, welcome. I like to call myself Razalaz J. So today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look. You might have seen that I did a Valentine's Day look last year, and it's about to be 11 months since the last time I posted that video. I haven't been very active on YouTube, so I am trying my best to get back into that, get back into recording, get back into editing, everything like that. We got to do this in 2019, you know what I mean? I want to use today the Berry Burst palette from Voss. I figured this would be a really good palette to do a nice Valentine's Day look. So I'm gonna pull you guys closer. I have no idea what I'm gonna do when it comes to an idea in my head. I just know that I want to do a Valentine's Day look. This palette, it reminds me so much of the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I really like it. It's a very small, compact, sleek type makeup palette. It does come with a little mirror inside. I'll let you know what the retail value is somewhere on the screen, and this is what it looks like. It has two pretty, this one's almost like a burnt red, and this one is a nice dark pink, and then we have some shimmer colors over here, and then the neutrals. I love this top part because these are my everyday type colors. I haven't dipped into these pink and reddish colors, so I think I'm gonna do that today. This one right here could probably be a really nice highlight color, but I just feel like it's a little too pink, and if you don't want it to be pink, then it wouldn't work, you know what I mean? Okay, so yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna be using this palette for my eyes mainly, and yeah, I already have some foundation on. I'm wearing my Fenty Beauty foundation mixed with a little bit of Dermablend foundation, just because this one's just a little light for me. I already feel like I look like a ghost right now, so I can't wait to bronze up. We're gonna do that later. So let me zoom you guys in. So to get a transition color, I kind of just want to start off with this color right here. It looks like, hopefully you guys can see it, it looks like kind of a burnt orange type color. So I want to start off with that, and then I'm gonna dabble into the pinks and the red. I'm stupid, I didn't even put eye primer on. Let's do that real quick. Let's put some eye primer on. For me, I like to use concealer, so let's do that. I have the Born This Way concealer that I'm gonna use on my lid. So I wasn't gonna do a chit chat get ready with me, but maybe maybe I'll start talking to y'all, because I've been MIA on YouTube. I haven't been filming many videos. A lot of my friends have asked me why did you stop filming videos? And to be honest, I have a new job. I got promoted. I don't work at Sephora anymore. I don't know if any of you guys read my blog. I'll link it below, my blog, but I don't work at Sephora anymore. Sadly, I left. I miss Sephora a lot, every day. So yeah, I quit Sephora. I'm at my new job. I love my new job, but it takes up a lot of my time. I'm there from 9 to 5. Last year, this time last year, I was able to record so many videos and was able to work on my blog and all of that, because I was, at the time, I was jobless. I couldn't go to Sephora due to medical reasons. I couldn't work basically due to medical reasons. What I'm trying to say is I am so busy now, and I just want to create time. Today is a Saturday, I have time. I used to work at Sephora on Saturdays only when I started my new job, and when I started doing that, I was okay, I can do this. I don't do anything anymore. I don't go out anymore. So I started working on Saturdays, but then all of a sudden, that just got to me. I realized I didn't have time for myself anymore, which is really important. You want to always make sure you have time for yourself. Calvin and I, we didn't have much time to be together as well. So yeah. Anyway, now I'm starting that brown color as my transition shade. But other than that, you guys, I've been really good. I just have been so inspired lately to do more videos. I've been watching Kathleen Lights, I've been watching Casey Holmes, I've been watching Desi, everyone that's in the beauty community, and I'm just man, I miss doing that. I watched my own videos too. I mean, it's embarrassing. but I watched my own videos and I'm like, wow, like I put in a lot of work into these videos, and I should continue doing it. Like I can definitely be part of that beauty community if I wanted to. But I just stopped because, you know what, I'm busy. I'm making money moves, you know what I mean? So yeah. Anyway, I don't want to lose my artistry when it comes to like makeup either. I haven't been doing makeovers for like weddings because I've been so busy. Sometimes at work, like I don't even leave at 5 p.m. I end up leaving at like 6 or maybe even 7 sometimes if I'm like super swamped. But that's just how I am. Like I want to make sure everything at my job is like A1, you know? Like I don't want to leave if something is not going the way that I want it to go. I have this new e.l.f. brush that I bought. It was $3. This is what it looks like. I love it. I'm gonna pick up this pink color right here in the Violet Voss Berry Burst palette. And I'm gonna just start packing that on there on the outer corner. I really like this blending brush. It reminds me of my Sephora 27 brush, which is this one, except it's a little bit more, like this one is very fluffy if you can tell, and then this one is not as fluffy, it's a little bit more dense, which I like. I love e.l.f. brushes. If you guys have not hopped on that train, do it. I bought this at Target. I recently reached 100 subscribers here on YouTube, so yay! Thank you guys so much. I really want to do like a giveaway. And I don't know how to do that because I'm a very small channel. Like I don't post consistently. I need to, but I don't. And I do want to do a giveaway because there's 100 of you following me, and I'm just like, wow, that's like a big step for me because I never thought I was gonna get to 100. Like I was so excited when I saw it. And that's another thing that really like kind of pushed me, and I was like, I should keep doing this. I should keep making videos. So I want to do a giveaway. I think I should do one on my Instagram. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. So after I pack it on, I'm gonna kind of start blending it, and I like to blend like this. I don't know if you can see that motion, but I want to blend it into my crease, so I'm gonna start doing that. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm like starting on the outer corner and then kind of going inwards. I feel like I'm jumping from like one topic to another. So I mentioned that I don't want to lose my artistry, so that's why I want to keep making videos and just do it for fun. Just, you know, all of this just takes so much time. Like I did record one video and I posted it on my Instagram, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna post this, and then I looked at the footage and I was like, I can't post that. The reason why is because when I did, I'm gonna go back with the original blending brush that I used and dip a little bit into that first color and just kind of like blend things out. The reason why I didn't post that first video that I created was because I looked at the footage and I was slanted. Like I had my camera mounted on, I think one of my camera, what are those called? Stands? Camera stand, right? What is it called? Camera stand. And I was slanted and I was like, there's no way I can post this. And I was facing like this way, and it was just terrible. I was like, I can't do that. I'm just gonna look foolish. I like was almost finished, and then I realized like how slanted I was, and I tried to fix it by like cropping myself, and it just wasn't working. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna not post that one. And it was a really good makeup look. Like I love the way it came out. It was for a VoxBox that I received from Influencer, and it was just awesome. And then when I did it, I was like, dang, this sucks. I hate myself. But you know what? Things happen. We gonna move on. All right. So I'm liking the way this looks. I love pink eyeshadow. I always love like Valentine's Day looks. So hopefully this comes out the way I want it to. I don't know what I'm going for, but yeah. I'm sorry if there's like a lot of shadow, because I know when I go like this, there's a shadow. I have a light right in front of me, and so I'm gonna try to avoid doing that, but I'm so sorry if that happens. I want to buy box lights because, you know, everyone uses those, but you know what? Even though a girl got a new job, she always broke. Just keep packing this pink on the outer corner. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get an even more defined brush, type blending brush. I really like this brush from e.l.f. as well. It's called the Eye Crease Brush. This was $1. Add a little bit of that red color, which is this one right here. I'm going to add some of this on the outer corner as well. Just dabble into this. I'm excited because I haven't really dabbled. I haven't really dabbled with these colors. So what I'm doing is I'm packing it in the outer corner, and then I'm really going into my crease, kind of like back and forth motions. Hope you guys can see. And then I'm going back in with the blending brush that I had the pink on and just blending everything out. And then I'm going to use this same e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to dip into that dark brown because I want it to be darker in the outer corner, just slightly. So it's going to be this color right here. And this time I'm not going to go like super into my crease. I just kind of want to keep it really in my outer corner. Yeah, I feel like when I do like chit chat get ready with me's, I am like, I talk too much. So I just dabbed into the pink and the red color, and I'm just gonna blend. I got some in my contact. Oh, it's the worst. I don't know if you guys wear contacts and do makeup at the same time. It's always the worst when you like get some things stuck in your contact or your eye. So I think I'm good with the outer corner and such. I mean, it's a little messy, but we can clean it up at the end. I kind of want to apply one of these like shimmer shades. This is the one shade I haven't dabbed into yet, and it's kind of like a pinky red. It's a nice pinky red. This one has like a nice peachy pink tone to it. Very pretty iridescent pink. I think I'm going to use that reddish color just because I haven't, you know, used it yet, and I don't know, you know, what it will be like. And then I'll go back and I'll fix like my outer corner and whatnot. So I'm just going to grab that red color. I'm using a Morphe M124. I'm gonna take that same blending brush that I used on the pinks, and I'm just gonna kind of blend. I'm gonna try to blend this forward. To fix my outer corner, I'm gonna go back in with the e.l.f. brush and dip into that dark brown, because I feel like this side definitely needs a little bit more love with the brown. A little too much love. I love the way this side looks. I think it looks seamless. This side, not so much. So I did the same thing. I dipped into the pink and the reddish color to kind of blend these things out. This situation. Cool, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the way it looks. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take that original blending brush that I used. I'm gonna dip in this like kind of like pale color that I use to set my eyes with, this one right here. And I'm just gonna use that to just kind of like blend everything at the top, just because I feel like it looks a little messy. I'm gonna use this Sephora Collection smudge brush, but I like to use it for my inner corner. We're gonna get some liner. I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Put some lashes on and I put some liner, mascara, things like that. I haven't fixed the rest of my face. I did use one of my Ardell lookbooks. The lashes are called Wispies 600. I'm really not feeling them. And then I also messed up on my liner. But whatever, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer under my eyes. I recently just bought the Fenty Beauty concealers. Concealer has a really nice consistency. Let me know if you guys would be interested in me kind of like reviewing this concealer. So at this point, I'm using my Hourglass setting powder. I'm setting under my eyes and then using excess or kind of grabbing a little bit more and setting my whole face as well. So something I've been really loving to contour my face is the Kevyn Aucoin contour powder. The best powder ever to contour. I love it. This is what it looks like. It's super tiny. I got the color medium, but I'm telling you, like, this is an amazing like contour powder. The brush I'm using is from Real Techniques. It's one of my favorite brushes to contour with. It's called the Sculpting Brush. So gotta do my under my chin because a bitch has gained weight. Now I'm using my butter bronzer just to bronze up the face. I really like this palette from Wonder Beauty. One of my favorites. You get 2 blushes and then 1 like highlighter. This highlighter is kind of like deep for me, but I really like it. I think it's really pretty. The lighter blush is definitely one of my favorites, but this one is super pretty too. So I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna mix between the dark pink and the light pink. It does have a little bit of shimmer, so if you don't like shimmer in your blush, it's probably not gonna be for you. And since I have oily skin, I try to use it sparingly, but you know what? We are a little extra today, so it's a Valentine's Day look. We gotta be a little extra. So I'm mixing the pink and the reddish color. And I'm using a Sephora Smoky Liner Pencil. I'm gonna go into the dark brown color right here and just kind of try to use that in the outer corner as well. I'm gonna go in with the Allison liquid lipstick from Anastasia and this Kat Von D OG Lolita lip liner. So this is the final look. Oh, I didn't even put highlighter on. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Collection Fuego. I love this stuff. I'm just gonna pat that there just to brighten up your life a little bit. So yeah, let's just get into it.
Sorry about that.
Itchy eyebrow, itchy eyebrow. Hate doing intros. I have to hurry up because my camera's gonna die on me.